What's up beautiful people out there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I decided to share with you guys the process and what to really pack to Poland if you are going as an international student or for any sort of work, etc. So what are the essential things that you need to pack before you leave? I am flying tomorrow morning at around 7:50 a.m. and I haven't packed. I haven't started packing yet. Wow. And I have a lot of things to take. I'll be showing you guys what all the things are. So yeah, let's get into the video, okay? I am currently done with all the clothes. Like that's all I'm taking there. Rest I'm gonna just buy it from there. And now comes the food item, so let me show you guys. Okay guys, so what I would suggest you guys to take is some spices, but before that I'm also taking wheat flour. We get wheat flour there, but I think it's a bit expensive, but today we compared and it was kind of same, so if you want you can take. I'm just gonna take 2 kilos. I bought like 2 packets, so if the weight is excess then I could just remove one. And then I highly recommend you guys to buy spices, because spices in Poland is going to be expensive in the Indian stores, and the ones you are going to get there is in small packets, so it's going to be very expensive and we don't want to spend so much there. If you can spend, no problem, but I would highly recommend you guys to stock up on spices. So I'm going to take like garam masala, sambar powder. Like I also want to eat healthy, because last year I went and I didn't eat anything healthy, and yeah, I had health issues like low in iron and many more things. So make sure you guys carry good things so that you can cook good Indian food. So yeah, I have like sambar powder, garam masala, biryani powder, just in case, you know. And I bought like chili powder. Again, I bought like 2 packets, so if the weight is excess I could just remove one and take one. So and storage also won't be a problem there. So I have like 2 packets of that. And to make dal curry I have tur dal. Again, 2 packets, 500 grams, so 1 kilo. Again, I might take it out if the weight is excess. So yeah. Again, I have chana dal, 2 packets. Oh, okay, 2 packets. Again, we'll take it out. Then I have chickpeas. These are some things that anyone can cook. You don't need special skills to cook these things. So buy these things. It's cheaper here in Poland. These things are going to be expensive, because I bought moong dal and it was around 37 zlotys for like 1 kilo. So it's very expensive and we don't want to spend so much there. And I have black chickpeas. These are very easy to make, so just stock up on that. Turmeric, you just need 170 grams. This would be good enough for 6 to 1 year, depending on what you cook. And coriander powder. I only have 1 pack of this. I think this will be enough. Let's see. And I have cumin seeds. Again, I didn't find cumin seeds there. I'm not sure if you can find it, but if you need it then sure, go ahead. And also stock up on mustard. I don't use mustard in my cooking, but I haven't seen mustard there. Maybe you might find it in Indian store, I'm not exactly sure. So if you want you can also stock up on mustard seeds. Oh, I had like 2 chickpeas. So yeah, that's it for my spices. I will show you guys. Okay, so this is how basically it looks, and this is my cloth area. You don't need to buy a brush, but I just bought it because why not. And sanitizer, no need of buying perfume, I just bought it. Sportswear, you can find it there. You don't need to buy it, but I just bought it. And I bought some jeans. These are all the things which I bought. So take limited clothes, that's what I would recommend. Guys, I was doing my final packing. I need to close my bag and guys, finally 3 months is over and I can't believe, like 3 or 4 weeks before I was like I badly want to go, and now when the day is actually here I'm like should I actually go this early? But there's no other choice. Maybe everything is for the good. We need to take these things, like we need to get out of our comfort zone to be a better person, and studying abroad is the best decision we can ever take. So if you're considering studying abroad, it's a great thing. Or if you're confused, please do study abroad. It's just gonna benefit you really well. And yeah, I need to sleep. I don't think so I'll be able to sleep. I can't sleep before a flight. That's an obvious thing. Yeah, the room is very messed up. I'm the one who messed it up. Okay. And tomorrow, for sure, I'm gonna cry. Okay. So, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so I was about to sleep and that's when I thought about this. Make sure you bring your plugs like this and not this one, or the ones you get in India. It shouldn't be this, it should be this. And for your phones, bring this one. I bought this there in Poland, but or else you can use 3-pin. Bring a 3-pin like travel adapter, that's what it's called. So if you buy that, it will come in handy. And yeah, don't bring 3 pins. This is how the plug points in Poland works. Make sure you carry one of this. And for your laptop, if you got that 2-pin, make sure you guys take that, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please stay tuned, because guys, my traveling vlog is coming. Traveling from Abu Dhabi to Poznan via Frankfurt. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be trying to upload this video by tomorrow because my layover is around 9 hours. So yeah, stay tuned for more amazing video. So yeah, until I see you guys next time, that's a goodbye. So bye. Introducing the silent Abu Dhabi.